Welcome. Here the question is from Algebra chapter Progression. Here the given conditions. Writing first a plus bx if anything to discuss writing right hand side. First thing we should think how to show that A, B, C, D are in GP. We will think about the property of a GP. So if A, B, C and D are in GP, then from the property of geometric progression, what will be? Then term by preceding term, B by preceding term A, C by preceding term B, D by preceding term C. That means we have to show this, or from this equation two at a time. First two, if we consider B square is equal to AC, then ABC are in GP, then A, B, C are in GP. From last two, D by B is equal to D by C, square is equal to BD, then B, C, D are in GP. Now A plus BX by now look into this equation. Left hand side, sum of two terms, denominator, difference of two terms which are used in the numerator. Similar case in the right hand side, sum of two terms, that means B plus Cx, and denominator, difference of two terms used in the numerator. In this case, we use componendo dividendo. So use componendo and dividendo. That means if A by B is equal to C by D, implies that A plus B by A minus B, C plus D by minus D. Or if this is given, we may write this. Therefore, A plus Bx, here B means denominator, has minus. So change the signs, minus A plus Bx. Similarly, right hand side doing now see from numerator plus Bx minus Bx plus A minus A. Right hand side plus Cx minus Cx plus B. So twice A plus A, Bx plus Bx, 2Bx. Similarly, right hand side 2B, 2Cx, 2 cancelled, here 2 cancelled, xx we may cancel because we are writing as x not is equal to 0. Therefore, we are cancelling x from both sides. So a by b is equal to b by c. Now look at the condition. Here is b by a is equal to c by b. But what we have got, a by b is equal to b by c. So we have to reverse the numerator and denominator or interchange numerator and denominator. To do so, we have to take reciprocal from both sides or taking reciprocal from both sides. So numerator will go to denominator and denominator to numerator, c by b from the property given here, a by, also we may write b square, we may write also b square equal to ac. Hence a, b, c are in GP, name it number 1. Now consider these two terms or equality involving last two terms. Now b plus x following same process operate what we will have now, not writing more as done before. X cancel, b cancel, x cancel, c cancel, b plus b 2b, 2 cancelled, here 2 cancel, as x not is equal to 0, xx also cancelled, or b by c, c by d. Now look at the property explained before, c by b is equal to d by c, but here is d by c. So taking reciprocal hence b, c, d, dp. Now number 2, see what we have seen from 1 ABC are in GP and from 2 PCT are in GP. PC in both cases common. They are from 1 and 2. A, B, GP. Proved. If you have learned something from this video, share your friends and subscribe this channel.